If you love pressed flowers just as much as I do, this is a great way to use all the leftover blooms this holiday season, so let's get started. First, start by choosing your flowers, and I was selecting various shapes and textures and foliage types just to create very unique and beautiful pieces. Next, carefully glue your flowers onto the disc. Remember, less is more here. I'm using super glue, applying it to the side and dabbing it lightly onto my flowers and the leaves with a wooden stick before gently placing them onto the plastic disc. Once my arrangement is complete, I add a small dab of glue on top of the flowers and the leaves, and I sandwich them with a second disc, making sure that the holes line up. Firmly press the disc together until the glue dries, and as this is super glue, it shouldn't take too long. Using a sharp X-Acto knife, carefully trim any leaves or petals that extend beyond the edges of the disc for a clean, polished look. To add a touch of elegance, wrap the edges with a gold foil tape. This not only creates a seamless, polished look by hiding the two discs, but it also helps keep the dirt and dust out. Use a sharp knife to trim the excess tape, ensuring crisp, clean lines that fit perfectly around the ornament. Finally, attach a string for hanging. I'm tying the strings together first, and then I'm looping it through the ornament. These are so delicate and beautiful. I'm very happy with how they turned out. I think they'll make great gifts or keepsakes for myself. I'm very excited to put these on the tree. If you like this video and want to see more DIYs and crafts, my name is Vanessa, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!